crafters, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to show you winter related crafts, all made with Reneabouquets, beautiful board pieces, embellishments and laces, as well as TonicStudios dies and a few files that I have. This is my design team project for the month of August, and I hope that you enjoy what you're about to see. Let's start here. I made this beautiful card with TonicStudios dies, Designer's Choice dies from my stash, as well as others, as you can see here. What I did was that I topped it off with the Venetian embroidered lace in white. That's what you see there in the background. I also added just a snippet of the garden bouquet lace here, just for a little added texture. Then on top of this blue sleigh, I added another piece of printed beautiful board, and this is called Diane's Snowman. She is absolutely adorable with her little blue dress and also her little hat. It's just so very darling. To finish this off, I also used a trio of vintage snowflakes. These do come in a set of 7. What I did was that I did paint them, as you can see there, with holographic paint. And then I added some of the little bells available also at Reneabouquets. They are available in 6 and 8 millimeter sizes. I just tied them there with a string, as you can tell. And I've added glitter to go ahead and make this a very sparkly card, just as you would see on the snow outside on a winter day. Then on the inside, I just placed a sentiment that says Merry Christmas, and I did make that using my Spellbinders dies and stamp. Moving along, the next piece I want to show you here, also using the same beautiful board piece. If you can see here, this is the same little image. I decided to go ahead and make some ornaments. This first one here, of course, has that Diane's Snowman there. It also has these little hearts, and these are available from Reneabouquets, and some snippets of lace here that you can see. And here is that Venetian lace again. What I did was that I did cut it in smaller pieces to fit this project. On the back here has yet another snippet of lace and another leftover piece of lace here from another project, and I just added pearls. I'm going to also be linking all of these items in the description box of this video, so if you want to pick up the little bells or anything like that, you can definitely do that. This star here, which is a larger one, I made using the pearl accented wedding day lace. This lace comes in 4 3/4 inch size. What I did was that I cut it down to fit this project as well. And as you can tell, it has these gorgeous pearl accents throughout. That is how the lace comes. And it is a piece of applique, nice and wide, that you can use for your projects. Here on the top, I've also used one of these gorgeous snowflakes. This one is called Linda's Love Flakes. What I've done there is that I have added some detail with Nouveau drops and gems from my stash to give it a more antique look. I've also made different rosettes that I added to this. And to finish off the front of this star, I used a large Victorian winter laser cut chipboard. This girl also comes in different colors, so if you're interested in picking up the same image but maybe with a different color hat and dress, the little details, you can definitely pick this up in more than one color at Renee's shop. And for the back, what I did was that I used the tattered pink pleated tulle and another snippet of lace here on yet another little rosette. I will have a tutorial on the assembly of this star if you're interested. And of course, I added more little bells there at the bottom with some beads that I had in my stash and the little pom-poms to resemble snow on each one of the points of the star as well. I absolutely love the results of this. And of course, all of the lovely vintage detail that was possible by using products from Reneabouquets. This little bead here, by the way, is a little moonstone bead, and the glitter is the chunky glass glitter available from Reneabouquets. For my last project share here, what I did was that I made this gatefold style card that also could serve as a mini book. It would depend on how you want to use this, but just to give you the details, I did use my TonicStudios dies to make this. I will have a separate tutorial for this. It will soon be available for you. And what I did here on this card is that I used the doily lace. It is this white lace that you see there in the background. This comes as a 2¼ inch wide lace in white. I've placed that behind this adorable little image. She is the small snowball fight with Claire. As you can tell, she's got her little snowballs in her hand. Just absolutely adorable for a winter theme. To go along with her, I've also used 2 of these Linda's Love snowflakes here, and I did alter those as well to suit this project by using different Nouveau products. And then the beads that you see here in the center are different beads from Reneabouquets shop. These are in the mermaid's tail color. And here, what I've done is I placed different gems. I made another rosette, put a glimmery gem on top, and these were just some little pom-poms that I made by altering some sticks there. I've added some yarn that has sequins in it as well on the sides of this front, and then some more little bells from Reneabouquets here with some beads that I had in my stash. And what's really lovely about this is that it opens in a gatefold style like so, allowing you room for pictures on the inside. On the center here, what you see are 2 more printed beautiful board pieces here on the sides. These are Jack's Snowman here, and this is the Belle Itty Bitty Chipboard. She has her little presents in hand and a little dog with her. On the center here, I wanted to make sure that I took advantage of this absolutely gorgeous Tree of Life beautiful board piece from Reneabouquets. This comes in several different sizes as well. You're going to definitely want to pick up one of these for your winter items or any other project that you may have where you want a beautiful frame. I highly recommend this. What I've done is that I altered it with wax, and I also added the chunky glass glitter available in her shop. I've topped that off with a small flower from Reneabouquets that I also glittered up. And here's what I did. I backed this up with acetate, and what I made was a pocket. You can probably tell it's been moving. What I did was that I made a little tag to go inside. It does say Winter Wishes and Snowflake Kisses. This was made with a TonicStudios die from my stash. It is a little shaker, so it's got little sequins in here as well, and it is see-through on the back because I made it with tulle. Here, what you see on the sides framing this is the doily lace that I used in the front. I went ahead and used it here as well. And this is also a pocket where you could place a picture. So this is how I made it, was that you can tell it's adhered onto the acetate there, and what's holding it to the background is actually a magnet. So you could definitely go ahead and write your sentiment here if you wanted to, or even on the back, and then place a picture and give this to a loved one. Then if you wanted to make this and make it part of perhaps a bigger gift where you were maybe placing pictures on both sides here, then these pages come out and you can definitely write a note on each side here, or even place a smaller picture on the back. Either way, and these both come out of the sides. I wanted it to be interactive and fun. And if you are at all curious about this snowflake themed paper that I have here, which matches perfectly with these vintage snowflakes, this paper was designed by myself, yours truly, so I will have this paper available very soon on my Etsy store. I've added little gems here just so you can see how this all plays together nicely. And here is the rest of that lace. What I did was that I did wrap it all the way around so that you could see how beautiful that is. As I said before, I'll have links to all of this as it all becomes available. But as far as the products, they're definitely available right now at Reneabouquets this month. You can also take advantage of the coupon code that I will leave below, and with your $30 purchase you will be getting some butterfly kisses, which are absolutely darling. You're going to want to take a look at the website for those details. The links are there just for your convenience at no extra cost. And as I always say, I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed, and I thank you so much for watching.